Hello everyone and welcome back to techconn. So today we will see how to create a advanced funnel chart. Okay. So in our previous video we have seen how to create a simple funnel chart, right? So today we will see how to create the advanced funnel chart. So for this, first we will create a bar chart. Okay. So for this, let's drag and drop product subcategory into rows. Okay. And same into column. Okay. So this is a simple bar chart, right? So let's make it as interview and do it as descending order. Okay. So why we did it in descending order? Because of funnel chart, right? So now it's look like a bar chart, not a funnel chart, right? So for this I'll just change the automatic to area. Okay. So now it is somewhat looks like a funnel chart but not fully, right? So for this what I'll do, I'll just drag and drop again same into column. Okay. So to look like a funnel, I have to just rotate this axis. Okay. So right click on this x-axis, click on edit axis and click on this reversed one. Then close this one. See, this is the funnel chart, right? So let's change the color. Right click, then click on format. Then in the sheet we'll do a stain, bold and white. Okay. Then we'll go to this color section and change the worksheet color as black. Okay. Then go to column and make it as none, and go to grid line and make it as also none. Okay. So it looks good. Then close this one and we will change the funnel color. Okay. So for this just change it to red, and for this one also we will change this to red. Okay. Yeah. And we will just rename the sheet as advanced funnel chart. Okay. When you click this one, bold, make it as white, and I'll just change this to white Latin, then apply, then OK. So it looks like a funnel chart, right? So if we'll change this product subcategory, I'll just change this one and I'll just take straight into rows. Okay. And I'll just make it as descending order. See, this is also a funnel chart. Okay. And if I will take this one, customer name also, this one also looks like a funnel chart. Just a minute. Just do it on descending order. See. So this is the advanced funnel chart. I hope you have understood how to create an advanced funnel chart. That's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz, so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.